What's up, guys? This is Dylan from Guitar Boys. Welcome to the new electronics section in my my list of videos. This is my basement, which is where I do all my electronic stuff. You can see I got a Windows 2007 over there. Looks like I got an Xbox controller. I was working on a rapid fire mod, capacitor. Yeah, I got some cool stuff going on. Ton of microchip stuff in there that I was making. Little IC timer chip circuits and stuff. Breadboard and my glasses. Yes, I wear glasses when I get all techie sometimes. You can see small stuff better. Anyway, sorry. Point of the video. Sorry. This is my electromagnetic pulse device, or an EMP, as most people refer to it on Call of Duty. That's right. This is the 15 kill streak that you get. Although it's not a bomb, it doesn't need an explosion to do that. It's the same concept, but a lot more handy. It does need tweaking. This coil needs to be a lot bigger, or a lot thicker. Because right now there's so much electricity left over. It causes a big spark where the capacitor is. This is not going to be a demonstration video of it. Because I need to do a lot of tweaking before it to actually be cool. And I mean, so far I've hooked up to a calculator before, and I do all these numbers, and then boom, it'll make a bunch of symbols and dots and stuff. But it totally isn't that big, nice wipeout of any circuit, anything with power. That's right, I forgot to tell you what it does. If you don't do Call of Duty, what it does is anything that's electronical, cars, calculators, anything, cell phones, lights, it will fry it. No possible use of it again. Sometimes if it gets a little bit of it, it will just, screw it up. But most of the time, if it's close range, it will destroy completely. So that's how it works. You flip the charge switch over, so charge, when it's on charging, there'll be like a little light in here that'll flicker. You turn it off, and when it's time, point it at the object you want to fry, you would, and then go disperse it. You hit that switch. Now this box needs modifications because it's really not good. All of this needs tweaking, that's why I'm not doing a demonstration video. So let's get inside. Ooh, what do we got going on in here? Okay. If you want a tutorial on how to make one yourself, like the video, that's important. I like likes. I like that nice big green bar. So yeah, if you want a tutorial on how to do this stuff, inbox me, because I don't know if you guys want a tutorial on this or not, or if you already know how to make this. Sorry. So, getting into this, we got a slide switch, a 350 volt, 50 microfarad capacitor, transformer. As you can see here, we got this switch. A nice little. This switch is just feels so nice. I got this from an old it was a speaker for PlayStation 2. Transformer. Get some resistors. So basically, I didn't make this. I had this circuit. This you can get from a disposable camera. I can show you when I make a tutorial on this. I'll show you an older circuit versus a new one and new ones. Yeah, let's get this out of this box. So let's go over how it works. How this baby works. So first, I gotta stop saying really. This is where the battery goes, and right here I took it. There's no battery in there right now. But basically, this is the positive lead terminal, and to start the charging, it needs to go through the circuit board. So normally, you would pull something, and it would bridge these two connections. Well, I soldered those two connections to a switch, so I can control the on and off of the charging. And that's very important, to have a switch instead of pushing something down and leaving it on, because once you disperse it, it will fry the circuit. It will fry the charging part. So don't do that. So that's why you need a switch to turn it off before you go ahead and disperse it. Bang. So here we go again. It goes through the circuit board, through the transformer, boosts up the powers to charge this faster, and this charges. The indicator LED turns on, and when you're ready, you turn it off, and just charge it. Now this switch, if I don't know if you can see here, get a better view of this. Alright, there is a red wire and the coil wire attached to the capacitor, and this switch is what connects it to the coil. So once you do that, the power is allowed to flow through the coil, producing the pulse. It's one big pulse. It's not a generator. So yeah, I mean, I'll get a lot more in depth with it on the tutorial if I make one. Yeah, and so this video is also, you know, project ideas. You know, if you have any ideas whatsoever, I mean, I just make it all. I got a speaker going on over there, Latin jar. I mean, I made a bunch of stuff before, but I'll be able to get a lot more in depth. Like, I'm talking like I'm getting an Arduino R3 microcontroller circuit, and I'll be able to make anything with that. You know, from robots to, you know, signaling something in a cabinet would open, something crazy like that. Just pour ideas in this comment bar. I'm looking for anything for ideas. You know, this is getting me started to my electronics section. I know I ramble a lot, but I do that when I disperse information. You know, it's around here you can see, you know, I've been working on, you know, it's a Windows 2007 model. Yeah, you've basically seen this all. So, that's right. So, subscribe, like, and see you later, all my electronic nerd friends. Sorry, not nerds, you're probably really cool. We'll do that again. Cut. See you later, my electronic peoples. Subscribe.
They hear me coming through, crystal clear, something new. Blaggers got some shit to do, catching up with the LEF, TBO. Why? Because they need me here. I'm the one that's